Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and today I went to my local library, surprise, surprise, picked up some more cookbooks, and I'm really intrigued by King Solomon's Table by Joan. It came out in 2017. It's a culinary exploration of Jewish cooking from around the world. Now, I normally think of Jewish cooking as Mediterranean and Middle Eastern, which is my two favorite types of ethnic food. International food, am I supposed to say ethnic anymore? But it's cooking from around the world, and there's some good pictures. We'll see, though, if there's a picture for every recipe. It's a pretty thick book. Let's check out the colorful contents. Foreword by Alice Waters. Introduction, pantry. Every international cookbook starts off talking about what you need in your pantry. Morning, starters, salads, soups, and their dumplings. Ooh, dumplings. Breads, grains, and such, vegetables, fish, poultry, meat, and sweets. So typical cookbook in the same order. Do you have a cookbook where the desserts start first? That would be kind of important to me. I think that would be pretty cool. Oh, look at this bread. I do not do enough bread baking. I'm going to snoop through, not going to show you the whole cookbook because you need to check it out or buy it for yourself. We're just getting a little preview. I'm not seeing a lot of pictures, but we're still in the pantry section, which is very long. They're talking about cumin, cubeb, did I say that right? Cinnamon sugar, fenugreek. I do not have fenugreek in the house. Ginger, nigella sativa, peppercorns. I have those. Poppy seeds, I have those. Sea salt, we all have that. Sesame, sumac. Ooh, I have a little bit of sumac, not much. And I need that for my Iranian cookbook that I'm cooking out of this week. Za'atar, did I say that right? Lentils, preserved lemons. I have preserved lemons. I'm not sure what to do with them. Let's take a look at what they're going to be talking about in the morning chapter. Matzo, chilaquiles, Mexican matzo. Tunisian brick with a fried egg. Spinach feta burritas, new old-fashioned bagels. Lots of interesting stuff. This is definitely all over the world. Siberian tremsel, which is a matzo pancake casserole. Cheese Danish pastries. Well, who doesn't want to eat that for breakfast? Sri Lankan breakfast buns with onion confit. Arkansas schnecken with pecans. Chocolate babka. We all love that, right? And Romanian cornmeal ricotta breakfast pudding. This is intriguing. I don't normally say. Oh, yes, shakshuka. I love shakshuka. I've never tried making it from scratch. There's one restaurant near me where I can order it, and so I always do. And then I get the Trader Joe's shakshuka starter because I'm lazy. Maybe I should learn to make it myself. Nice photo. Matzo bread. Uh-oh. Tunisian brick with a fried egg. Well, what's it supposed to look like? I need more pictures. And chilaquiles. If you've never had chilaquiles, you don't know what they're supposed to look like. A bunch of torn up tortillas. Yum. Spinach feta burritas. Yum. I think I see some poppy seeds on top and sesame seeds. Oh, good. I like this. Step-by-step photos of how it's supposed to look. So they're basically like little raviolis, perhaps. New old-fashioned bagels. Okay, we don't need a picture of a bagel to know what a bagel's supposed to look like. Here's an insert on the bagel's journey from ancient Egypt to almost everywhere. So it's kind of a food history book, too. I like that. Let's move along. Toronto blueberry buns. They kind of look like scones to me, but I bet they're not the texture. And I refuse to pronounce it scones. I'm not British, and that's not phonetical. I'm still in the morning breakfast, not running into a lot of photos. Chocolate babka. I wouldn't need a picture of chocolate babka to know what it's supposed to look like. Ooh, beautiful. The food photography, when it's here, is beautiful. This is called soka or saka. Chickpea pancakes with fennel, onion, and rosemary. And they're quoting a Sumerian proverb. Caramelized shallots and goat cheese tart tatin. Yum. The wandering eggplant. Some more food history. I'm going to sneak ahead. Ooh, cilantro pesto. Buttery olive biscuits. Oh, yum. I shouldn't be filming this video right before lunch. Frying. Some tips on that. Okay. Fried artichokes Jewish style. Those are in every single Jewish and Mediterranean cookbook I have. Yes, they're yummy. Don't need another recipe for it, but I guess this book wouldn't be complete without it. Okay. Are we out of morning yet? Oh, yes, because we're in chopped chicken liver. Long cooked hard-boiled eggs with spinach from a Spanish, yes, tradition. Okay, I'm trying to find the next chapter heading. Salads. Aha. Okay. I'm going to skip over salads. It's not going to be very interesting, I'm sure, because, yeah, it's a salad. I mean, yeah, we know how to make salads. That's fine. This is Racha spinach salad with walnuts and cilantro. Yeah. Vegan challah. Oh, we're in the bread chapter. I don't want to look at bread pictures because they'll make me really hungry. And luckily for me, there's not a lot of pictures. Fine. Pletzel, onion and poppy seed flatbread. And here's information about where they came from. And some words on pumpernickel and rye, which we definitely associate with Jewish cooking and baking. Grains and such. They're going to talk about crunchy saffron rice, hand-rolled couscous. That sounds like a lot of work. They're going to talk about stuffed derma. Doesn't that mean skin? With matzo meal, spices, and onions. Orecchiette with rosemary oil, chickpeas, and broccolini. Yum. Crunchy saffron rice. I like my rice soft and gooey, not crunchy. I might not attempt to make that because it would hurt my teeth. Fideos tostados. Toasted pasta in a cinnamon-spiked tomato sauce. Now, my stepmother, who's from Mexico, makes fideos tostados, but she doesn't use cinnamon. That's interesting. And she's not Jewish, so maybe they have two different traditions in making them different ways. She's Catholic. The vegetable chapter has slow-cooked silky spinach and chickpeas. Yum. Spinach with pine nuts and currants. Not very inventive. Okay. Bulgarian eggplant and cheese pashtida. Pashtida? I don't know how to say that. Vegetarian tagine of peppers, onions, zucchini, eggplant, and more. Slightly sweet and sour cabbage, green chili, relleno latkes. Now that's a fusion food if I've ever heard of one. Yucca latkes with cilantro cream. That will be a no. Yucca is called yucca for a reason. Hungarian roasted potatoes with onions. I wonder what makes it... Oh, because they use paprika. That's what's make it Hungarian. Okay, here's the tagine. Lovely, lovely. I want just some more beautiful pictures like this one. But then I guess the book would be 18,000 times thicker. Green chili relleno latkes. Okay. I'm going to mostly be skipping the fish and meat chapter because I'm vegetarian. You can just use your imagination. I'll try to find you some good pictures. Poultry. Chicken with eggplant and Swiss chard. Chicken paprikash with dumplings. Yum, dumplings. Syrian Mexican chicken with apricot, tamarind, and chipotle sauce. Ooh, flavorful. Hungarian stuffed chicken, double lemon roast chicken, roast turkey. Okay. I'll try and find you one good picture to let you see. Well, that looks like a salad. What is that? That is rice with turkey, beets, fava beans, and herbs. I would not have thought to put beets in there. That's okay. And that is the double lemon roast chicken. Well, every cookbook has a roast chicken. The meat chapter, I'm skipping. Sorry. Keep going. Now we're in the desserts. Tahina cookies. I said tahina, not tahini. Beautiful, beautiful photo. You'll just have to get the cookbook and see what that was. And dates in brown butter with vanilla ice cream, date syrup, and halva crumble. That sounds like a lot of work if you're making the ice cream yourself. I don't think you are because there's no recipe for it. Yay! Upside down fruit cobbler. Well, that's not anything unusual or spectacular. Hungarian golden pull-apart cake with walnuts and apricot jam. Now, what makes it Hungarian? Butter, eggs, orange, sugar, milk, yeast, salt, brown sugar, cinnamon, apricot or plum jam. Nothing stands out. Flourless chocolate cake. That is pretty cool. I'm actually intrigued. I might actually keep this through the library hold date and use it. That was pretty cool. I'm not going to use the meat and poultry and seafood chapters. Pretty awesome. So let me know in the comments below if you're intrigued by this cookbook, what the first thing is that you would make. And if you do own this cookbook, let me know what you've been making out of it. Thanks for watching Cookbook Divas. Please follow us on Instagram, not Twitter, Facebook, no Pinterest, YouTube.